With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Hydrogen atom consists of only one electron, but its emission spectrum has many lines. So if you see here, what happened? So if you see, when hydrogen atom gets appropriate energy, right? It get appropriate energy from the outside, then what happened? Energy from outside. Then the electron rises to some higher energy level. If you see, the every energy level have different energy. If I talk about the ground state, it have 13.6 electron volt, and the second line n equals to 2 have minus 3.4 electron volt, and so on. So when the electron gets appropriate energy from the outside, it goes to some higher energy level. So I will write it rises to some higher energy level. Now what will happen when it will return to the same energy level, right? When returning will take place, then what will happen? It can either return directly to the lowest energy level after passing through the other lower energy level, or it could take jump. Like if you see, let's suppose the electron is at n equals to 5, right? So what can happen? It either go from 4 to 5, then 4 to 3, then 3 to 2, and so on. This can happen, right? So I will write here, it can return in various ways. So many line could form. So assertion is true basically. If you see, assertion is true. Now if you see, in this reason it is said that only Lyman series will form in absorption spectrum, right, of hydrogen atom, whereas in emission spectrum all the series are found. So if I talk about the absorption spectrum, right, so usually what happen, usually the electron is present in the ground state, right? So at ordinary temperature all the atoms are present at the lowest energy level, that is this, right? Usually I will say, then what will happen? Hence the absorption transaction can only start from n equals to 1, right? Since the electron is present at n equals to 1, so the absorption spectrum can only start from n equals to 1. So I will write from n equals to 1. So if the transition start from n equals to 1, so only Lyman series is formed in absorption spectrum, right? Since the transition is starting from n equals to 1, so only the Lyman series could we get in emission spectrum. So the reason is also true, right? But the reason is not a correct explanation for the assertion. Since as we know that what happened, the electron gets the appropriate energy up from the outside, and it jumps to some higher energy state, and after jumping, when it returns, it could return in various ways. That's why it happens that in emission spectrum many lines are formed. But in absorption spectrum, if I talk about, so in absorption spectrum the transition start from only n equals to 1. So if the transition start from n equals to 1, then only Lyman series will form, right? So in absorption spectrum, the it is said that it is in absorption spectrum Lyman series is formed, where in emission spectrum all series are formed. So reason is also true. So the reason is not a correct explanation. So the B will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.